Welcome to Reviews and Info by Ash. Today's video is going to be about uninstalling Chinese apps and disabling Chinese apps in Chinese phones. Indian government has banned 59 apps in India. These are the Chinese apps which have been banned in India with immediate effect. Now, why these apps have been banned in India is because these apps spy on us. So they collect the information of Indians and send it to the Chinese servers, and these apps are at Chinese locations, but they are not in India. So these servers are not in India, they are located in China. So for this reason, Indian government has banned all the 59 apps. So better you uninstall these apps and install other apps. For example, in this list what you are able to see now on display, this is the alternative apps which are given. So you can install these apps. So you can uninstall all the Chinese apps and install these apps which is now displayed on your screen. So these are the alternative apps which you can install instead of Chinese apps. All of us have mostly Chinese mobile phone, whether it is OnePlus or Redmi or Realme. So though we can boycott Chinese software, but we cannot boycott the hardware of Chinese. For example, there is you can say mobile phones. So we are very dependent on Chinese mobile phone because they have come into the market and are now dominating the Indian market. It's going on for the past 4 5 years. So now what to do in such circumstances? We can either uninstall the apps if it is possible. If you are having a Chinese phone, then we can't uninstall those apps which are inbuilt. So instead we can disable the apps. So in this video I'm going to take you through how to disable an app. So to disable a Chinese app, what you have to do is that you have to deny all the permissions. So in an app, if you see there is permission, then there is data connection, so you have to disable all that. So it shouldn't be running in the background. So in Chinese phone, luckily you have an easy way to disable it. So if you are having a Redmi, Realme phones, then you can do it easily. So now I am having a Redmi phone in which I will show you how to disable Chinese apps. So now you can see I'm going to uninstall CS Scanner. So it is easy to uninstall, whereas the Mi browser is an inbuilt app, so I can't uninstall. Instead I'll go into app info, then I'll see whether auto start is on, app permissions, I'll see it's having storage access, I'll switch it off. So I'll switch off all the app permission which I have given. I'll see notifications, I will switch off notifications. So I don't want any notification from the app. I'll restrict data usage. So if it has mobile data or Wi-Fi connection, only then it will work. So I'll first disable that one. So and I will clear all the data in the app and uninstall the app, because uninstallation means it's not that it's going to get uninstalled, but updates will get uninstalled. So the app won't be with updates. So I have to uninstall the updates for inbuilt apps. So this is what you have to keep in mind. So you have to uninstall the updates for the apps which are inbuilt. So disconnect the mobile or data connection which the app has access to. So all this you have to do. Again, I'm trying to uninstall MiPay, but it won't go away because it's an inbuilt app. So what I've done with the Mi browser, I'm going to do the same with MiPay. So deny all the permissions. So app permissions I'm going to look into, it's already off. So then notifications, I'm going to put it off. So restrict data usage, all that, and I'm going to clear the data and as well as uninstall the app. So this is what you have to do to safeguard your phone. So we have only this as an option. I hope in near future we will have made in India phone with us, which is 100% made in India, so we need not depend upon China for any of our needs. Thank you for watching this video. Please support this channel. Thank you for watching Reviews and Info by Ash. Please like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and post your comments.